Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to change your full name in the Omio app. Many users sometimes enter the wrong details when booking tickets. Updating your passenger information is simple, and I will guide you through the exact process to make sure everything is correct. First, open the Omio app on your smartphone. Once the app is launched, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. Next, from the profile page, select Passenger Details. Here, you will see the information that is linked to your account and your bookings. Then, look for the Basic Info section. On the right side of this section, tap on Edit. You will now see fields where your first and last name are displayed. Simply delete the old information and enter your new name. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Save. This will update your full name in the app and make sure your travel documents reflect the correct details. Thank you for watching.